Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can replace green screen in Capcut. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Capcut. So this is the video with the green screen. So I add it here. Then you need to go onto the cutout, click on chroma key, select color picker, click here. And you need to improve the strength up to 700 as well, I think. If you want, you can add shadow as well. So now I want to add this video. First you need to add on to the top, then you need to select green screen video and add on to the top. And now I'm going to show you the final result. So here you can see the final result. So this is the process how you can replace green screen in Capcut. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.